everyone, this is Aishi. I am back with part 2 of percentage. If you haven't watched part 1, go and watch it right now and then come back to this part 2. Alright, welcome everyone to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. So before I dive into our topic, let me give you a brief description about Swiflearn. At Swiflearn, we provide 100% live and interactive classes at the comfort of your home and according to your convenient timings. Here in one single batch, we have a maximum of 6 students. So never more than 6 students. If you want, you can also opt for one-to-one tuitions as well. And we are also going to provide you with a dedicated academic mentor team who is going to track your progress and guide you throughout your journey. Here we cover the syllabus as per the school exam schedule and we handle custom requests as well. Talking about the key features of Swiflearn, at the end of every month, we are going to provide you with a detailed progress report and we are also going to share it with your parents. We recognize the importance of practice tests and therefore at Swiflearn, you can take unlimited practice tests. On every Sunday, you can also go for the scholarship test of Swiflearn, which is the Swiflearn Academic Test Series. We not only cover objective questions but subjective questions as well for your school exams. So go to the Swiflearn website and book a free trial class today. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us, as on this channel we share a lot of knowledgeable videos based on various topics and various subjects, and that is going to be really helpful to you. So coming to percentage, let us see what are the objectives of today's class. We will be learning how to convert a percentage into a decimal, converting a percentage into a fraction, and to find out the percentage of a quantity. So in order to learn these things, your concepts of decimal and fraction also needs to be clear, right? So I already have videos based on decimals as well as fractions where I have explained everything in details. So you can watch that playlist as well of decimals and of fractions, and you can come here because your concept of decimal and fractions have to be really clear in order to learn about percentage. Now, let us learn how to express percentage as a fraction. Okay, so let me simply take you to an example over here. So whenever you see 56% and we have to convert it into a fraction. First of all, whenever you see 56%, this percent actually stands for what? 100, right? In the previous part only I told you. This percentage symbol itself denotes 100. So this means that 56 by 100. Okay, this itself means this. So I told you now that in the fractions, whenever you have denominator as 100, we were expressing it as 56%, right? So whenever you have this one in your question, that is when you have 56%, definitely it means that whenever you have this percentage symbol, it means that 100 is present in the denominator, and whatever number you see here, this 56 is present in your numerator. Okay, as simple as that. So see, it is written 56 by 100. Now what you can do is, we know how to reduce a fraction, right, to its simplest form. So now you can reduce this fraction to the simplest form. Okay, so it can go with 2 times, for example. So 2 2s are 4, 1 6, therefore you will get 28, 2 5 and 0. Again it will go with 2, so 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and then 25. So your simplest form of this fraction is coming as 14 by 25. Got it? So whenever you see any number like 43%, okay, whenever we have to express it in terms of fraction, this symbol itself symbolizes the fact that it is 43 and in the denominator we have 100. That's how we can remove this symbol. Actually, this symbol itself stands for 100. So we are writing 100 in the denominator. And then if the fraction can be reduced, you can reduce it further. But here definitely 43 and 100 cannot be divided by any common number. Therefore, the fraction is going to remain as 43 by 100. Now, let's try some more examples over here. So the first question that we have is 38%. Again, what will happen? Percent means what? 100 is coming below in the denominator. Now we can simply reduce it. So 2 1s is 2 and then 18. Therefore, you will get 19 and then 50. So your answer is coming as 19 by 50. Okay, so this is our lowest form. You cannot reduce it further. So you are getting the answer as 19 by 50. All right. Next, coming to 47%. 47% means what? Again, 47 by 100. In the denominator, we have 100. And this cannot be reduced further, right? So it will remain as 47 by 100. Next one is is 96%. So 96% means 96 by 100, right? This symbol, percentage symbol, means there is 100 itself in the denominator. Now you can reduce it with 2. You can also reduce it with 4 as well. So you will get 4 2s are 8, and then 1 6. So 4 4s are 24, and then 4 2s are 8. So 205. So your reduced version is coming as 24 by 25. This is for the third one. Okay. If you have problems doing it mentally, you can always do the division, right? Like 96 divided by 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 6, and 4s are 16. Like this also, you can simply find it out. So on the numerator, we got 24, and this one also you divide by 4. So 4 2s are 8, minus 2 0, so 5s are 20. Here you are getting the denominator as 25. Okay. So I am doing it mentally. If you face any problem in doing the reduction mentally, you can always divide. All right. Now here we have some mixed fractions as well, and then the percentage sign is given. So what you can do is, first let us simply convert this 1 whole 1 by 2 into an improper fraction. So you will get 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2, right? So you will get the answer as 3 by 2. So the question that is given to us is 3 by 2%, right? And what does this percent means? This percent means that simply we have 100 in the denominator, like this, right? And we know now this is where the concept of fraction becomes really important. So whenever we do division, this division will turn into multiplication. I have already explained it in fraction chapter. And what is this 100? This 100, we have to take the reciprocal. Whenever we are dividing two fractions, actually this is a whole number, but whole number can also be denoted as 100 by 1, right? In the denominator, we can simply write a 1. So we turn this division sign into multiplication, and we take the reciprocal of 100. So we make it as 1 by 100, like this. Okay. So then we are getting the answer as 3 by 200. So for the first one, we simply converted this mixed one into first an improper fraction, and then we calculated this percentage, and we are getting the answer as 3 by 200. Got it? This is the lowest form. Now, coming to number B, we have 16 3 by 4. So at first, let's convert it into improper fraction. So you will get 16 into 4, that is 64, plus 3 by 4. So you are getting 67 by 4, right? So we got it in the form of improper fraction, 67 by 4 percent. Percent means what? 67 by 4 by 100. Again, what will happen? 65 by 4 will remain as it is, and this one will turn into multiplication division, and we will take the reciprocal of 100. So it will become 1 by 100, right? So we are getting the answer as 67 by 400, right? We are getting the fraction answer as 67 by 400. Do you think we can reduce 67 by 400 further? What do you think? Comment down your answer in the comment section below. Okay. Coming to the third one, so 112 1 by 2, that means what? 112 into 2 plus 1 by 2. We are converting it into improper fraction. So 112 into 2 times is nothing but 224, plus 1 is going to be 225 by 2, right? So here we are getting the answer as 225 by 2. 225 by 2 and percentage. So percentage means what? 225 by 2 by 100, and recalling the concepts of fraction, 225 by 2, this division sign is changing into multiplication, and we are taking the reciprocal of this 100. So it is becoming 1 by 100, right? Now you can simply reduce it further. So now our fraction has become 225 by 200, right? Can you reduce it further? Yes, we can reduce it further with the help of 25. So just see, 25 times 9. It's going to be 45, 5 9s are, and then 18 plus 4 is 225, and 25 times 8. So try this, 16 plus 4. Yeah, it's going with 25. So 25 9s are, 25 8s are. Therefore, we are getting the answer as 9 by 8. So this is our fraction in the lowest term, that is 9 by 8. Got it? So generally, during any calculations of fractions also, whenever we encounter any mixed fraction, we convert it into improper fraction, and then we carry on with our calculation, right? And that's the exact same thing that we are doing over here. Now, we will learn about how to turn a percentage as a decimal fraction, okay? This is very easy. Let me just explain it to you with the help of an example. So 45% is there. I told you 45% means it is nothing but 45 by 100. Now the trick that you have to remember is how many zeros are there in this 100, and we are performing division by 100 first of all, and there are 2 zeros. And what is the meaning of 45? Just 45 means the decimal point is actually over here, right? It is like 45.000 like that. So the decimal point is actually here. So we have 2 zeros in 100, so we will move 2 places towards the left. That means 1 and 2. So our decimal point will come over here. So our decimal fraction will become 0.45 or 0.45. Before decimal point there is nothing, means there is a 0. Okay, this is how you can simply do it. Suppose you have 74%. To convert it into decimal, first you write in the fraction form 74 by 100, and here 74 means the decimal point is present over here, and there are 2 zeros. We are dividing by 100, so we will move towards the left by 2 places because there are 2 zeros. So 1 and 2. So our decimal point is coming just before this 7, and we are getting the answer as 0.74. Got it? This is how you can simply convert the percentages into decimals. So see here also 67 by 100, right? 67%. The decimal point is here. So move 2 places towards the left, 1 and 2. So it is coming right before 6, and we are getting the answer as 0.67. Coming to the second one also, what is happening? 39 by 100, right? That means the decimal point is over here, and we are moving 2 places towards the left because there are 2 zeros in 100. So 1 and 2. So decimal point is coming over here, that is 0.39. Got it? So this is also extremely easy. You simply remembered the trick that I told you. Now let's try to solve these one by one. Coming to the A1, 13%. 13% means what? 13 by 100, and simply 13 means what? The decimal point is over here, 100 is there, so we will move 2 places towards the left, so 1 and 2, so it is becoming 0.13. That's it. This will be your answer, that is 0.13. Next one, 24 by 100. That means 24%. That means what? Decimal point is here, so we are moving 2 places towards the left, 1 and 2. So it's coming right before this 2, so 0.24 is our decimal. 0.24. 69% means what? 69 by 100. The decimal point is present over here. So whenever you have any whole number, that means the decimal point is here, like this, right? So 2 zeros are present, dividing by 100. So we will move towards the left by 2. So 1, 2. So our answer is becoming 0.69. 0.69. Very easy. Next we have 81%. That means it is 81 by 100, and the decimal point is present over here, and we are moving 2 places towards the left. So 1, 2. So it is coming right over here. So 0.81, right? Your answer will be 0.81. Next one, last one we have is 45 by 100 because it is 45%. So this is the decimal point, and we will move 2 places towards the left because there are 2 zeros in 100. So 1 and 2. So you are getting the answer as 0.45, right? This will be your answer. I hope that this is very clear to you. Now you see you have some mixed fractions over here. So either you can convert it into improper fraction, or because this is already a decimal, what you can do is, so see, if you take half, if you convert it into decimal, you will get 0.5, right? We all know that by simply doing decimal division. So 0 and 5 is a 10. So you will get 0.5. So that means you can simply represent 53.5% as 53.5%, right? 53.5%. Now, so the numerator is 53.5, and in the denominator, because of this percent symbol, 100 will come. Now the decimal point is here. So what will happen? It will move 2 places because it is divided by 100. It will move 2 places towards the left. So 1 and 2. That's it. So our answer is becoming 0.535. Got it? Understood? This will be our answer, 0.535. So wherever is your decimal position, simply shift that 2 places towards the left. Now 29, 3 by 4%. What is 3 by 4 in decimal? So 0.0, 7s are 28, 2 0, 5s are 20, right? For understanding these, please follow the decimal playlist where I have explained decimal division, multiplication, everything. That means this is 29.75%. That means 29.75 by 100, right? Because of this percentage symbol. Now our decimal point is over here. There are two zeros dividing by 100, so we will move two places towards the left and our decimal is coming here. So the final answer is becoming 0.2975. Okay, this will be our final answer, that is 0.2975. Understood? Okay, coming to the C1. So 71 half means what? 71.5%. That means 715.5 by 100. Two zeros are there, so move towards the left by two places, so 1 and 2. So it's coming right before 7, it is becoming 0.715. This is our decimal fraction. Okay, next one. Again we have 34 and 1 by 2%. That means it is 34.5%, which is 34.5 divided by 100. There are two zeros in 100, so move towards the left by two places, so 1 and 2. It's coming right before 3. So the answer is coming as 0.345%. Got it? Extremely easy. I've told you, really easy methods to convert these into decimal fractions. Now let's come to this question. So which of the following is equal to 4%? Okay, what do we mean by 4%? 4% means 4 by 100, right? And how can you, so what is 4? 4 means the decimal point is over here, and divided by 100 means we will take the decimal point two places towards the left. So because there is nothing, that means it is a 0. So now see, 1 and 2 decimal point is coming right over here. So converting into decimal, we are getting the answer as 0.04. See, here we have it, 0.04. You can even cross check. So 0.04 by 0.04 means what? If you convert it into fraction, then you will get 4 by 100, right? Because after the decimal point we have two digits, so after division also, after this one, we will have two digits. Okay, so actually what is happening? See, 4 can be written as 04 also, okay, by 100, and the decimal point is here. Now there are two zeros, so we will move left by two places, 1 and 2. So our answer is becoming what? 0.04. Understood? This is how you can simply solve it. Okay. Which of the following is equal to 12.5%? First, let us find out what is the meaning of this 12.5%. 12.5 by 100, right? And two zeros, so move left by two places, so it is coming right over here. That is 0.125. C, option number C, 0.125, right? This is how you can solve your questions really easily. Okay, now how to find out the percentage of a given quantity? For example, what do you mean when we say that the glass is 50% full? What do we mean? That when it is 50% full, right? Or if you have traveled 75% of the way back from school, how far away from home are you? Right. So basically we need to learn about the percentage of a given quantity. We need to know that what is the whole capacity of this glass. Then only we can say that 50% of the glass is full means how much is full and how much is empty. What is the quantity that is full and what is the quantity that is empty, right? Here also if I say 75% of the way back from school, so the distance, 75% of the distance has been covered. That means what? How many meters or how many centimeters have been covered, right? So we need answers like this. So it is very simple. At first we are going to convert the percentage into fraction and then multiply by the given quantity. Very easy. Let me just show you an example. So see, it is given 30% of 1000. What do you mean by 30%? 30% is nothing but 30 by 100, as it is written 30 by 100. That means it is 30 by 100 of 1000, right? The given quantity to you is 1000. So you will do multiplied by 1000. Okay. So first convert the percentage into fraction and then multiply this fraction with the given quantity, that is 1000. So you will get the answer as 300. By cancellation, you will get the answer as 300 and that is going to be your final answer. Now, you have 15 and half percentage of 200 meters, right? So 15, first of all, you can convert this 15 and half into 31 by 2. 15 into 2 plus 1. 31 by 2% means what? 31 by 2 by 100, which is nothing but 31 by 2 into 1 by 100, right? So what is the answer that you are getting? 31 by 200. That is our fractional form. 31 by 200 of 200 meters. 200 meters is the given quantity. So this will cancel and our answer will be 31 meters. So if the unit of the quantity is given to you, make sure to write down the unit in your answer as well. If no unit is given, no need to mention the unit. But if a unit is given to you, make sure to write the unit. A percentage is a dimensionless number. It has no unit of measurement. Okay, this is a very important fact. You will never see that a percentage has any unit. Okay, so basically it is a dimensionless number and it has got no unit, no meter, centimeter, kg, gram, liter, nothing. Okay, so it is simply a number that has got no dimensions at all. Now we have to express these into quantities. So taking the first one, 35% of 700. 35% means 35 by 100 into 700, right? Now you can simply do your cancellation. So you will get 35 into 7. Now you simply do 35 into 7. You will get the answer as 245, right? Multiplication, you can do it on your own. Next one, 21% of 1800. This means what? 21 by 100 into 1800. So cancel out these two zeros and we are getting the answer as 21 times 18, right? And what is 21 times 18? That is 378. So do the multiplication on your own. C1, we have 19% of 230. That means 19 by 100 of 230. So you can cancel out the zeros. So you will get 19 into 23 by 10, right? Now, if you simply do 19 into 23, you will get the answer as 437 by 10. Now, you can also convert it into decimal, right? Without keeping it in the form of improper fraction. So what you can do over here is simply, take this 0. So we are dividing it by 0, right? And there is only 1 0. And 437 means the decimal point is here. There is 1 0. So we will move left by simply one place like this. By simply one place, we will move left and we will get the answer as 43.7, right? 43.7. This one you already know, right? 10 means move to the left by one place only. Shift the decimal by one place. 24% of 60 liters. That means 24 by 100 into 60 liters. So what you will get over here, 0 0 cancelled, and 2 3s is 6 and 2 5s is 10. So we are getting 24 into 3 by 5 liters, right? Now if you do 24 into 3, I'm writing it here, you will get 72 by 5 liters. Now you can convert it into decimal also. So 72 by 5 means 1s are 5, 2, 2, 4s are 20, 2.0, so 14.5. 14.5 liters, right? We got our answer in the terms of liters. Now coming to the next one. So let's do our last one, that is 30%. 30% of rupees 3000. Rupees 3000. So 1 2 zeros are getting cancelled here and we are left with rupees 30 into 30, which is nothing but rupees 900, right? So our answer is going to be simply 900. Rupees 900. Don't forget to write down the unit as well. Okay. Coming to our next question, so we have 120% of 100 meters. Okay, so 120% means 120 by 100 of 100 meters. 100 will cancel and our answer will be simply 120 meters. Got it? Let's do another one. 140%, that means 140 by 100 of rupees 3000. So zeros will be cancelled and we are getting rupees 30 into 14, right? 30 into 14, you will get the answer as rupees 4200. Okay, this will be your answer. Now coming to the C1, so 37.5% of 40 kg. That means 37.5% means what? 37.5, right? Into we have 40 kg by 100, of course, because of this percentage sign, and we will shift the decimal point. So what you can do is you can simply shift the decimal point here, or you can simply go for cancellation. Now this is up to you. Okay, so you can simply go for these two cancellations of zeros, and then what you can do is you will get the answer as 37.5 into 4 by 10. Now of course there is 10. Actually you can calculate it yourself. See here, let me show you some decimal division also. Okay, although I have already covered it, but I just want to show it to you so that it acts like a revision. So whenever decimal multiplication is given to you, at first we do simple multiplication. So 4 5s are 20, 28 plus 2 is 30, and then 12 1400, right? That's what we are get. Sorry, 12 plus 3 we will get the answer as 1500 over here. 1 minute. 37.5 into 4. So you will get the answer as 1500. And after that, how to do the division? After this decimal point, how many digits is there? 1. That means in the answer also, starting from the right hand side, right after 1 digit, you need to put the decimal point over here. Okay, and trailing zeros after the decimal point can be ignored. So it is coming as 150. Now see, we have 150 by 10, right? Now these two zeros can be cancelled and we will get the answer as 15 kg. Got it? So you can manipulate it. You can do it as you like, the division, multiplication, whether you want to do the division at first, whether you want to do the multiplication at first, anything. Now to express a number as percentage of another number, let us discuss. If you finish 40 out of 80 slides in your lesson, how much have you completed? What can you say? Out of the total 80 slides, we have completed 40 slides. For percentage, simply multiply that by 100. So here you will be cancelling out all these zeros, and 8 5s is 40. So you are getting the answer as 50%. 50% of the slides we have completed. Again, if you drink half a glass of water, what is the percentage that you have drank? Half means what? Half into 100 if you do, you will get the answer as 50% again, right? So this is how we can express a number as a percentage of another. Now, firstly, you take the first number, divide the first number from the other number and multiply by 100. So let me take an example, then it is going to be a lot more clearer to you. So what percentage of 3 meters is 3 centimeter? Okay, what percentage of 3 meters is 3 centimeter? So what you can do is, first you convert meter into centimeter, because it is important to convert all the units into the similar units, right? So 3 meters means what? 300 centimeter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 3 meters will be equal to 300 centimeter. This is the most important thing that you need to remember. So this 3 meter is now 300 centimeter. Okay, now what you will do is, to express 3 centimeter, we are expressing 3 centimeter as a percentage of 300 centimeter, right? We have to express 3 centimeter. The question is, what percentage of 3 meters? That means we have to express 3 centimeter in the percentage of 3 meters or 300 centimeters. So what you will do is, take this 3 centimeter at first. So we are writing this 3 and divide it by this 300. Okay, and then simply multiply that by 100. So you will get the answer over here, that is 3%. Okay, so this is the method that you should be following. Express 3 centimeter as a percentage of 300 centimeter. जिसका यहाँ पर दिया हुआ होगा कि इसके percentage के हिसाब से तुम express करो, उसको ही denominator में लेना है, ठीक है? As a percentage of something, उसको लेना है आपको डिनोमिनेटर में, और जिसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए आपको बोला गया है दैट यू हैव टू एक्सप्रेस 3 सेंटीमीटर, उसको तुम ले लोगे न्यूमरेटर में, उसके बाद इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे 100 से, तो फिर कैलकुलेशन के बाद आपको ये परसेंटेज में जो भी आंसर है वो आंसर आपका आ जाएगा, ठीक है? ओके, नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व दिस. सो वी हैव 350 मीटर्स एज अ परसेंटेज ऑफ 3.5 किलोमीटर्स, ठीक है ना? तो फिर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले तो इस 3.5 किलोमीटर्स को मीटर्स में कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए, तो फिर क्या हो जाएगा, 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर। तो फिर 3.5 किलोमीटर विल बी इक्वल टू 3.5 इंटू 1000 मीटर, दैट मीन्स 35000। और यहाँ पर डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद सिर्फ एक ही डिजिट है, तो फिर यहाँ पर आपको एक डिजिट के बाद यहाँ पर डेसिमल पॉइंट को रखना है। तो फिर हम लोगों का आंसर हो गया 3000 एंड so we are getting the answer as 3500 meter, right? This is what we are getting. तो फिर मैंने क्या कहा, जिसके परसेंटेज में आपको एक्सप्रेस करना है उसको आप ले लीजिए डिनोमिनेटर में, मतलब हम इसको लेंगे डिनोमिनेटर में, इसको अभी हमने कन्वर्ट किया, ठीक है। और जिसको आपको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए बोला गया है उसको आप रख लीजिए न्यूमरेटर में और इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए 100 से। तो फिर आप जीरोस को कैंसिल कर दो, तो फिर आपका आंसर यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 10%, 10%, राइट। सिंपली आपको कैंसिलेशन करना है। उसके बाद आप देखिए 75 पैसे एज अ परसेंटेज ऑफ ₹4। तो ये ₹4 का मतलब क्या होगा, 1 रुपी इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी पैसा, 100 पैसा, राइट। सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 400 पैसा, राइट। 4 रुपी विल बी इक्वल टू 400 पैसा। नाउ व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, तो फिर जिसका परसेंटेज ऑफ दिया गया है उसको आप लिख लीजिए अपने ये आपका यहाँ पर ये आपका हो जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा, और जिसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए आपको बोला गया है उसको आप ले लीजिए। कैसे आप इसको ले लोगे, ऊपर में न्यूमरेटर में आप इसको ले लोगे, ठीक है ना, और फिर इसको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 100 से, तो फिर ये दोनों आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा। तो फिर आपका यहाँ पर आंसर आ रहा है 75/4%, 75/4%। अब आप इसको डिवाइड कर लीजिए, अगर आपको चाहिए प्रॉपर डेसिमल में आंसर, तो 75 को डिवाइड कीजिए, सो 1 ज़ा 4, 3 5, तो फिर ये आपका चला जाएगा 8 से 32, सो यू विल गेट 30। ये आ गया आपका डेसिमल पॉइंट, 7 से होगा आपका 28, देन 20, तो फिर 5। तो फिर यहाँ पर हम लोगों का परसेंटेज यहाँ पर आ रहा है 18.75%, 18.75%। ओके, गॉट इट, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस वन। चलिए, अब यहाँ पर आपके पास एक क्वेश्चन है कि विच वन इज ग्रेटर, 0.485 और 48.5%। तो अब आप एक बात मुझे बताइए, तो फिर ये 48.5 मीन्स 48.5 मीन्स 48.5%, इसका मतलब ये हुआ बाई 100, राइट। अब 2 zeros है, डेसिमल को शिफ्ट कीजिए बाई 2 places टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट, तो फिर ये भी आपका आ रहा है 0.485, तो ये भी आपका आंसर है 0.485, यहाँ पर भी आपका आंसर है 0.485। तो फिर हम लोगों का आंसर क्या होगा, इक्वल, both the decimal fractions are coming as equal, right? Okay, I hope that you enjoyed today's session. If you have any doubt, comment down your doubt in the comment section below. We learned today about converting a percentage into a decimal, converting a percentage into a fraction. So make sure to be very clear about the concepts of decimal and fraction, and then learn about percentage. We have the playlist for decimal and fraction as well. So go there first, watch that, then come here in percentage, and also to find out the percentage of a quantity. Thank you so much for watching this session. If you liked today's session, make sure to hit on the like button and share this video with your friends and family so that we all can come together and learn together. Thank you so much. See you soon with another new topic. Bye bye. Take care.